Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the egg fruit seed in grow a garden during the Easter event. So egg fruit is a special limited time Easter crops that you can actually plant in your normal garden, and it looks unique. It has a blue and pink color like this. And to get the egg fruit seed, you need to open the Easter seed pack. But here's the cards, it's completely random, so there's no guaranteed drops. And then you can get this Easter pack from several resources, like you can get it from the event rewards, like maybe at the Easter training event on here, on this event, or you can also get this Easter seed pack from the egg war, like this. You can see it like this, like this. You can get this Easter seed pack from here, and then you can also get this Easter seed pack from feeding the angry plant over here. This angry plant, just feeding it the with the Easter plant that they ask, and you will get the Easter seed from it. And then since it gacha based, your best strategy is to collect as many Easter seed pack as possible and keep opening them until you finally get this egg fruit seed. So just good luck with your Easter seed pack. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!